60 miles per gallon in a family SUV? That's what Renault promises with the new Symbioz, and it might just be the most compelling reason to consider this French contender in the crowded crossover market. Today, we're getting our first look at this efficiency-focused SUV that aims to challenge established rivals like the Nissan Qashqai and Kia Sportage. The name Symbioz, derived from symbiosis, suggests harmony and balance. And from our initial impressions, Renault seems to be striking the right chord between efficiency, practicality, and value. Let's start with what catches your eye. The Symbioz shares its front-end design with the smaller Captur, featuring sleek LED headlights and a clean, modern fascia. Move toward the rear, and you notice the extended overhang that creates a more substantial cargo area. It's not revolutionary, but it's contemporary and well-proportioned, especially in the sportier Esprit Alpine trim with those distinctive 19-inch wheels. Under the hood, every Symbioz comes with a 1.6-liter hybrid setup producing 143 horsepower. With a 0 to 62 time of 10.6 seconds, it won't win any drag races, but the instant torque from the electric motor makes city driving feel surprisingly zippy. Step inside, and the cabin immediately impresses with its tech-forward approach. The 10.4-inch portrait touchscreen dominates the center console, while a crisp 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster sits behind the steering wheel. The Google-powered infotainment system is genuinely excellent, with intuitive controls and responsive performance that puts many premium brands to shame. One standout feature on top trim models is the innovative Solarbay panoramic roof. Instead of a conventional sunshade, it uses electrochromic glass that darkens at the touch of a button. It's a premium touch you'd typically find in luxury vehicles costing twice as much. What truly sets the Symbioz apart is its remarkable efficiency. Renault claims 60.1 miles per gallon, and real-world testing suggests owners can expect around 56 MPG in mixed driving. That's significantly better than the Qashqai and could save you hundreds at the pump each year. On the road, the Symbioz delivers a comfortable, relaxed driving experience. The steering is light for easy maneuvering, and the suspension strikes a decent balance between comfort and control, though the larger 19-inch wheels do transmit more road imperfections into the cabin. Practicality is where the Symbioz truly shines. The sliding rear bench lets you prioritize either passenger space or cargo capacity. With seats in their rearmost position, you get 492 liters of boot space. Slide them forward, and that expands to an impressive 624 liters. The adjustable boot floor adds versatility, and clever touches like the ability to position it vertically to divide the cargo area show Renault has really thought about how families use these vehicles. Safety equipment is comprehensive across the range, with automatic emergency braking, lane-keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control as standard. Value is another strong point. Starting at £29,295, the Symbioz undercuts many competitors while offering more standard features. The mid-range Techno Esprit Alpine trim at £31,295 hits the sweet spot, adding heated seats, a powered tailgate, and blind spot monitoring. So what's our first impression? The Renault Symbioz delivers exactly what growing families need: exceptional efficiency, practical space, and strong value. While it might not quicken your pulse on a twisty road, it excels in the areas that matter most for everyday use. In a segment where standing out is increasingly difficult, the Symbioz makes its case with a focus on the fundamentals, executed with French flair and sensible innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.